Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Apex 3 keyboard. In this video I'll show you the keyboard preview. In the beginning, let's take a look at the functional buttons of this keyboard. Take a look at the top right corner. Here we've got the multimedia buttons. Firstly, we've got the roller button. We can roll to increase or decrease volume. Then we've got the button below it, thanks to which we can play and pause, skip forward, and go to previous track. If you press this button, you'll mute or unmute the audio. Now let's take a look at the F9 to F12 buttons. Here we've got the button thanks to which we can change profile. Here we've got the on-the-fly macro recording key, illumination brightness down key, and illumination brightness up key. Here we've got the SteelSeries multifunctional button. And that's basically it. This keyboard can be connected to your PC via USB cable. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.